can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery.
Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across our channel, I am Mommy K Squad and you're welcome to K Squad and now. So to our returning viewers, thanks guys for always watching our videos. Thanks for always leaving beautiful comments and keep sharing our videos as well. So guys, on today's episode on my hobby myself, so our special chef is going to prepare a typical Agidi Jollof with biscuit bun. And if this is a content you signed up for, then keep watching. Meanwhile, if you missed our previous episode on my hobby myself, where he prepared a special barbecue, that is roasted with catfish, I'll be leaving the link up. If you missed it, go check it out guys, you'll love that video. See you guys on the next clip. Bye guys. As you can see, our chef is getting the stew ready for the agidi together with the biscuit bun. The biscuit bun has already been cooked with pressure pot so that the bone will be soft. Okay, so you go ahead to add the ingredients. That is the crayfish we have here and pepper, then the Maggi cube and salt. This is our Indian Maggi. If you live in India, you know about this Maggi. It's very nice.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you into the street.
As the stew is getting ready, they're getting the leaf ready. Okay, you know this leaf, right? Akwụkwọ nene. That is banana leaf. It goes to say banana leaf. Say banana leaf. Banana leaf. Banana leaf. Okay. You see that? So guys, this is corn flour. He's sieving it. You know there is no Agidi Jollof without corn. Without corn flour.
This is the
Make sure it's a low heat, and you have to keep turning continuously. Alright?
I'll be from high heat. After some time, you know,
yeah, you can start from high heat. Once it's hot, you have to lower the gas.
Okay, I'm going to.
So guys, do you see that? So when you keep turning it, it will get to this point. You see the smooth texture of it? You don't have to stop turning, because if you stop, it will not be smooth. You'll not like the texture. So you need to keep turning. At this point, it has to be on a low heat, or you can even bring it down. Okay?
Add little water.
So you have to add water and then get it back to low heat. As you're turning, you add water when it's necessary, okay? Yeah, you keep adding water little by little. Alright? So guys, you need to keep turning it until it's done. Alright? Until it's cooked properly. I'll be back when it's cooked. When it's cooked, you see the color will change. Alright? It will not be this cream color anymore. It will change color. So I'll be back once it's done. So guys, do you see how it is? So this is the final look. At this point, he said that you can test for salt. Alright? Yeah.
If you want to test, if you're a professional, you don't need to test anything.
A professionals don't test. They already know the quantity. So for us that are not professionals, we are testing. We used to test. For our special chef that is professional, he don't test for salt. You already know the right quantity. Okay, this is to make it soft. Yeah. Guys, you heard what he said. This is the first, and then you put this. Okay. Alright. Guys, do you see how it's been wrapped? Okay. Make sure you secure both ends. You see that? And then so guys, we are going to allow it to sit, all right, 10 to 15 minutes according to our special chef. Give it 10 to 15 minutes and it will sit properly for you to eat and enjoy it. All right, see you in 15 minutes. Our Agidi Jollof is ready, prepared by our special chef. Guys, do you see that? Do you see that? So we are going to enjoy this now. So guys, if this is your first time coming across our channel, hit the red button below. What are you waiting for? Hit the red button and be part of this beautiful family. Alright, and our returning subscribers, you guys are doing so great. So this is it, the biscuit bone. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have missed any of our My Hubby My Chef episode, do check it out. I'll be putting the links of our previous episodes below, so make sure to check them out. Alright guys, see you guys in our next video. Bye.